Hi, Tanya here, coming at you from the big city. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I wanted to extend an invitation to my Shackley family to join us on May 1st from 6:30 until 9 p.m. To come view our new studio and see what it is out there that we could help you with. So come on by from 6:30 until 9, and we'll reintroduce you to all of the features of Shackley, how you can save money, how you can make money, and how you can be healthy all at the same time. So please join us on May 1st from 6:30 until 9. And for those of you who I haven't seen or talked to in a while, you know what? That's my fault, and I totally apologize for that. But I'd love to see you. So please take some time out on May 1st from 6:30 to 9 and join us at the studio. It is in the Maryville area on US 30, just across from Albany's and a little west down 30, right behind the Surface Doctor. So we'd love to see you again May 1st from 6:30 until 9. There's a link below to please register, and we'll see you there.